welcome back to my channel. This is Gladys here. Loves, I am super excited for a new video. If you click on this video, you know what time it is. It's another home tour. This is going to be my formal living room and formal dining room. It's all like a huge loft space that I kind of divided into three sections. We have a little corner there that the kids use for movie night. We all use it for movie night, obviously. But I have a little space where I have dedicated for just sitting down, relaxing without using any type of like TV, and it's like a small area which I love because I love how it came out. Also have like a formal dining room which I love as well. Listen, I'm loving everything this season because I have minimized and decluttered everything, and I'm loving how everything looks like. That's why I decided I want to show you guys so that you can enjoy it with me as well. If you want to see what it looks like, stay tuned, guys. So guys, I'm really loving the pop of blue. All the pop of blue in my home was basically downstairs, but I decided to just go ahead and minimize there, just clean there, and just bring more decor over here and bring some pop of blue. If you have not seen my home tour or my house video that I did previously, go ahead and check it out. You're gonna see lots of pop of blue there, but I decided to bring some over here, and I'm gonna show you where they are in the whole space. But I love this picture, wall art, whatever. I got this from Goodwill, and when I saw it I was so surprised because it's such a great quality, but I believe it's from probably Ross or Home Goods because the tag behind states so, but I'm not gonna take it off and show you guys what it is. But I won't be able to link this, but this is from Ross, and I'm loving this. This was since last year. However, I didn't really utilize it in a proper manner, and I think this being on this credenza is just popping. It's bringing all the color that it needs. It's pulling from the blue and the grays and the brown in the wall art, which is, I'm a sucker for blue, guys. I'm a sucker for blue, and all my candles on there are from Goodwill. Let's come up to this. This was actually from Kirkland's. However, I didn't purchase it from Kirkland's. I know that it's from Kirkland's because of the tags in the back, but I got this from Goodwill. It was this burgundy red color that I spray painted white. It's not really perfect, but I love the fact that it looks rustic. Hey, stop moving. Okay, I love the fact that it looks rustic. It looks a little bit different. It's not too perfect. I love that. Now let me take you guys to the chair over here and show you guys a little bit about that chair. So my chair is also from Goodwill, guys, but however, this is a Target brand. I love this chair so much. I love the blue, again, pulling from here. I got this because I really wanted to bring this downstairs, but I saw that it was too much furniture's downstairs and it was just messing up everything. So when we rearranged the living room and rearranged here, I decided this will be perfect sitting here. If I'm sitting here reading a book or just relaxing, my husband can sit by me, the kids can sit here, so it's perfect. My pillow, it actually came with the couch that is actually downstairs. It came with the couch downstairs, and I just put it here just to break all the blues. And I love this throw blanket as well. This throw blanket is from Home Goods. This time I purchased something from a regular store, right? And my credenza is actually from American Furniture Warehouse. I'm going to leave their link below, but I'm not sure if it is credenza or this, you can use it for anything. If this is actually in stock, but I will leave the website below and you can go and check it out and see if you can find it, there. Okay, that brings you to my chair. Guys, I love these chairs over here. These chairs are also from American Furniture Warehouse. We purchased them when we first bought the house, so these are at least a couple of years old. The table in the middle is from Target. However, again, I purchased it from Goodwill. Hey guys, don't say I didn't tell you. I gave you guys a warning that a lot of these things over here are from Goodwill. So that should inspire you to let you know that you don't have to purchase things brand new. You can look around, see where you can find, what you can find at your local Goodwill or thrift store. Now the pillows on there are from Home Goods. I love these pillows, guys. I don't think I can ever part with these pillows. They perfect for spring, summer, all season, Christmas, because it has the sparkle on there. So now we come to this table right here. It has this beautiful marble top, and it's actually real marble. It was only like, I think about $12 for the quality of this table. It is so heavy. I was so surprised that I found it there at Goodwill. My candle holder plus the candle also from Goodwill. Sorry guys. And the flower is from Home Goods. So, and I just got some books that we had laying around the house, and I love accessorizing with books. It elevates, it just, you know, gives it a little bit of rise instead of being on the table itself. And I love that the way that looks over here now. Right now we are at my formal dining room, guys. I love hosting. All my family and friends know I love to host for Christmas, for Thanksgiving. This is not enough chairs. But for now, we would deal with this because it's only 6. My family alone, we're a family of 5. My husband and I and 3 little kids, so it would not be able to host a large, you know, gather. But I usually bring some chairs out here and there. But we all scatter everywhere here, so it's not a big deal. But guys, I wanted to, when I'm not hosting, when I'm not having a party or anything, I love the table to be clean and simple.
I'm all alone in my hotel room. I'm getting drunk on booze from the mini bar. I wonder what you're up to. I shouldn't call you up, I know your number by heart. I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know. You are the...
Brings you to the last section of this whole house tour. This is basically what we call, whoo, I'm breaking things. This is basically what we call like the theater section. It's not really a theater, guys. Obviously, we had theater chairs. However, I moved it into my bedroom because it was not a formal theater place, but you know, we made it do with what we had. But because the TV is behind us here, we didn't move the TV because I love to rearrange. I don't want to move the TV and then come back and move it, so I just left it where it is. But love this sofa, guys. The curve effects are so beautiful to me, and the table fits perfectly right there. This was purchased from Facebook Marketplace. I don't know what the brand of this couch is. I wish I knew so I can link it for you guys because it's so sturdy. It took like 2 guys plus my husband to bring this over here, and I don't even know who those guys are. We rented like a pickup truck that helps to move things here and there if you have heavy things, and they came up with us and they helped us bring this over here because it was super heavy. That's how great the quality is. We had it for like 6 months or so, and it's still in perfect condition. All I have to do is spot clean and it's all good to go. This came with the sofa, and I'm gonna change it because I want more brighter colors. I'm gonna cover this with like a white and gold cover, cushion cover, or pillow cover, sorry, or like a pure white. So, you know, with the blue, it's going to pop so great. But the blue velvet crush pillows are from Home Goods, and I love this. It has moved everywhere in the whole house. It was over there. It's been everywhere because I can't part with it. It's so beautiful. Now it brings you to my table over here. These these candle holders were like white, like golden brownish. Such an ugly color. It wasn't the perfect gold, nor was it the perfect, you know, brown. But I painted all white, and I love the fact that it's not perfect and it's like pure matte. I love that. You know, it's like this rough, you know, edge to it. I like that. My coffee table, I see this coffee table everywhere because it's super popular. It's very expensive in other sites, but I got this from American Furniture Warehouse, and it was a little over $200, and I broke the bank for this. I broke the bank because I really liked it, and it matched the credenza that was up there in the sitting room. So this will be it for the living room tour.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, oh, oh. No, we ride
thank you so much for watching the entire video. I appreciate you guys coming along and watching the whole video. I know it was a little bit long, but I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if this is the very first time you are seeing any of my videos or my face, my name is Gladys. I do lifestyle videos, house tours, home decors, and cleaning in here and there. If this is anything like that you like to see, please click on that subscribe button. I would truly appreciate also the like button so that this video can do great. Don't forget to click on the notification bell, because if you don't click on the notification bell, if I post a video, you may miss it. So again, thank you so much for watching the entire video. I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna let you guys go now. Bye guys. God bless you all. See you.